This procedure spatially localizes multiple endogenous lipids within a bovine lens using the technique of matrix-assisted laser desorption ionization mass spectrometric imaging. First, prepare a thin bovine lens tissue section and apply a MALDI matrix. Then, acquire a MALDI mass spectral dataset. Process the dataset into a visual representation of the detected lipids on the lens tissue section. Together, these results can determine the location and relative abundance of the lipids within a bovine lens and produce a visual representation of this distribution.
Compared to other methods such as lipid extraction followed by LC-MS analysis, MALDI mass spectrometry imaging allows for the visualization of multiple lipids simultaneously without losing their spatial localization.
Remove the flash-frozen tissue specimens from -80°C storage. Remove the capsule from the surface of the lens. To fix a whole bovine calf lens section, place 1 or 2 drops of water on the tissue cutting stage of a cryostat. Quickly place the lens in the water before it solidifies. When the cryostat has equilibrated to optimal temperature, cut the tissue equatorially into sections of 20 micron thickness. Discard the first tissue sections and only use slices that are close to or at the equatorial plane. For imaging ocular lens tissue, add 1.5 microliters of formic acid to pre-wet the surface of an ITO-coated glass slide. Then carefully transfer the tissue sections to the slide inside the cryostat.